but getting into the statistics in the room, the book has covered feature 2 women. The rest are all men, which was launched today. And except this panel, the other panels had only 2 women in all the other panels. So just taking that numbers to call for why we need to have a conversation around this, I think that made it more a necessity today for us to have a conversation. But sir, I would request you in the future, and all of us here, I think when we do panels on women in empowerment, from the morning I had heard every man, and I work for one such man who have worked on women empowerment. So I think we should have an equality in this panel too, when we bring gender equality in a panel that we are putting together to talk about women empowerment. I just submit that as a request to all of you here. In terms of when I heard Jayashree ma'am talk about enablement, right? I like the word more than empowerment. I think that's where we are. The initiatives, though it was on the flow that she used the terminology called enablement, a lot of our policies and our initiatives have been more focusing on empowerment. I think what is much more required is enablement, especially in the area that I'm talking about, right, where Rajani requested me to speak about. I see a lot more of enablement is the need of the hour. I mean, before I joined Forge, I did have a lot of experience working with self-help groups for 3 to 4 years, working with women in rural part, helping them to learn skills and set up their own enterprises and businesses so that they can have a livelihood and also provide job to a few women in the neighborhood. I also had an opportunity to chair and create a women forum in Coimbatore. Though there are many women forums, I always felt that I had a privilege that many of my friends did not have. The exposure and the experience that I had, many of my friends, fellow women entrepreneurs did not have when I was running my own business. So I created a forum for women entrepreneurs. So I thought the bottom of the pyramid, the self-help groups, the small business women, the micro small business women entrepreneur are the only ones struggling. But then the last 5 years has given me a complete, a 360-degree view into the technology, innovation, the startup, and the manufacturing sector, where I see it's much more pathetic, right, than the other 2 sectors that I have seen. There is a lot more work that has to be done to enable women to participate further. In the last incidentally, in the last 3 months, we have set up a center in Hosur. So I have been connecting with a lot of manufacturing houses, including Tata Electronics, Olo, TVS Motors, Titan. And everywhere I hear the need for participation of women in the workforce and their initiatives. And repeatedly, I hear this statement, which even I heard many of them saying here, that we don't have women in core engineering stream, mechanical, mechatronics, but I mean, I was just taken back, 20 years before when I wanted to join mechanical engineering, I was looked at like an alien. And I know there was only one girl in every mechanical department, in every institution in Tamil Nadu, and I don't think it has improved much today. So, just to sum up, what can we do here? I look at this has to be taken up in threefold. One, largely looking at how do we first help women join the workforce. I think a lot of work has been done there, but we need to help them join a workforce of a certain kind, with a certain capability. It's not just joining the workforce. It is building certain skills, competencies early on in your education before you join the workforce, which is going to give you the strength. So that's the first aspect I see. The second aspect I see is how do you help them grow in the workforce? So what we have seen in many manufacturing industries, that they hire diploma holders and +2 students, train them, but then they get into a stagnation of growing. This has happened in history with men. It's not just about women. This has happened with men, and with women, if we do repeat the same thing, I think we are going to have much more challenges with the usual life cycle of a woman, which is going to not help her continue the workforce. The third, the last aspect that I think we need to work is, how do you help women to lead tech enterprises, not just social enterprises? We at Forge have been doing our bit in all the three parts of it, which I would share as we go by in the conversation. But I think largely these are the three areas I look forward to.